Hey guys, how you doing? This is just a little message to new build property developers. Please sort out the outside of the property before you sell it. Now, straight away, I can see there's going to be objections to this, and I have noticed over the last year or so improvements, and I've had comments from people that work for new build properties and saying that their particular developer has started incorporating a lot more topsoil into people's lawns. But the vast majority I'm still going to now, because I've got something to tell you in a minute. You're going to be amazed. The vast majority are leaving hardcore, very little soil, pebbles, bits of broken glass, bricks and all sorts of other things in the ground, and it is not soil that's worth doing. I've just been to a quote today, and his lawn is yellow and it should be nice and green. It was only laid last March. The turf from last March still hasn't knitted together. You can still see the joins in between the turf. So I got my core sampler out, pushed it into the ground, and a centimetre down I'm hitting hardcore. I went across the whole lawn, front and rear, exactly the same. The most I got was about 2 centimetres of soil. I'm sorry, but it's not acceptable in this day and age. It's not acceptable. If someone's spending 200, 300, 400,000 pounds on an house, surely you can dig out just 6 inches and put 6 inches of quality topsoil down before you lay the turf, because the turfing guys are still going to come, they're still going to put the turf down, but it's on top of clay often, because I've heard that sometimes they will strip off the good soil and they'll sell it. Might be wrong, but why is it that so many new builds are on clay? Why is it so many new builds are on clay? And if they're not on clay, they're on pebbles. I would say 10% of the ones I've gone to have got decent topsoil, and even all them might only have an inch of topsoil, decent topsoil, and below that it's hardcore, pebbles, stones, bricks, glass, God knows what. I think it's time for a change. I really do. I think this needs addressing, because people want a nice house, but they want a nice garden as well. And yes, some people are going to modify the gardens, they're going to put new patios in, they're going to change it around, they're going to put pebbles in, but still, I bet at least 75% will just stick with the lawns that are there. But we get all those customers and we have to offer suggestions to fix. It shouldn't be like that, should it? It should not be like that at all. If you're selling a quality home, you should be handing over a quality home. Now, a garden is part of the home. I couldn't take any video footage of this lawn because the customer was there and it was a quote. I'd never met the guy before, but it was absolutely shocking. It was absolutely shocking. And his house was 2 away from the show home. Now, there were some strips of grass that run into the show home, because it's weird how they've done it. They put a driveway to his and a driveway to the show home. It's bizarre. And the grass along the show home was lush and green. Fancy that. I checked the soil there, even though it's really patchy, it was a lot greenier. Greenier, that's a new word. And we've got about an inch and a half of soil. I've also heard that the guys that lay the turf don't get paid enough. And the reason I'm saying that is because 15 years ago I got offered to go and do some turfing on several new build properties on a new estate being built, and I knew the guy that was digging all foundations out, and I says, right, how much, what is the rate of pay? What is the rate of pay? £4 a square metre, and that includes preparation. It's pitiful. It's absolutely pitiful. And yeah, of course you can roll turf out really fast. It doesn't take long, but the preparation is what matters, isn't it? Preparation. No one in the right mind is going to put 6 inches of quality topsoil down and then roll a layer of turf down for £4. You need to address this issue, house builders, house developers. I'm not knocking all of you, because I do believe there is a change, and I believe that more and more are going that way, probably because of all the complaints they get. But I just wanted to get this rant out and in the air, because to be quite honest, it's disgusting, and this has been the case for over 20 years that I've been treating lawns. It's just awful. It's time for a change.